Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm going to talk to you about my skin buddy and infusing your serums, your creams and your oils. So yesterday we talked about cleansing, so hopefully your skin's all perfectly cleansed. And in between, even though these are just for personal use, you just need an alcohol swab just to wipe the head and keep it clean going along the side there before you use between your cleansers and your serums. Now, if you watch my video on layering skincare, that will talk you through the method to layer your skincare. I put a few layers on already, but I always start with spritzing my skin, tapping that in, applying my different layers. I put a beta glucan hydrating serum on. I've put another serum on that's just activating, working like retinol. And I'm actually going to put some vitamin C on as well. So apply your serums. You can actually infuse your serums in before you put your creams and oils, or you can actually put it all on together. For this purpose, I'm actually going to push my hair off the back of my face so it doesn't get in the way. For this purpose, I'm actually going to just do a minute with my serum on. And because that's already absorbed into my skin, we've got air conditioning on here at the moment. Now you have 5 different choices on here. Remember, your first one is cleansing. Press it again, then you're going to get the blue light, which is very good for acne type skins. Then you have green light, which is very good for brightening sun damaged skin and any redness that you might have. Then you have your red light, which is aging and inflammation on there. And then you have what I like to call your disco lights. And you'll notice I just sprayed the head on there. It's all about the slip. We want to have a slip. And if you don't want to have any lights, if you're feeling sensitive to the lights, you can actually just press it again and actually just have the power of the ultrasound. Now you have no thermal heat here. We just have ultrasound, and we've got ionophresis now working on a negative charge. It is pushing the serums deeper in where they manually can't. Most skincare products are too large a molecular size to actually go in. So by applying, using ultrasound, which breaks down the molecular size, and using the ionophresis, we are penetrating the products where we actually need them to be. So I am just quickly applying some cream to my face. And again, if you want a very nice, easy slide, it's very good to use an oil. I'm just hydrating my skin there. And I'm going to use the green light. I've been hiking recently and catching a little bit of sun. So you can change these up every day. You don't have to use any one. It's really good to go over the lips here for plumping and just penetrating those serums in, preventing the fine lines. If you feel that you're losing the slip, as I say, just spray a little bit, like I said, with the cleanser to keep the slip there so that you're not dragging on the skin, and you'll see how that automatically frees up. Again, I like to work in small areas and work my way along. Same principles for drainage, going along the jawline. And we have a 5-minute timer. 1 or 2 minutes is absolutely fine. If you can do the 5 minutes, it's more beneficial. As I say, I like to try and watch a podcast or listen to something while I'm doing this, put myself in a comfortable position, and then the 5 minutes just absolutely flies by. You can put your eye creams on and penetrate them in. So that is my Skin Buddy and infusing all your creams and cleansing in the previous video. I incorporate this when I show people on my course that's launching on September the 9th, how to do a full spa facial at home, because there are a lot more tips and tricks with this little tool. Now, I do take this everywhere with me, so I consider him my best friend. Thank you for tuning in.